This is the Huawei P70 Pro, Huawei's bold claim for a camera king flagship that could challenge the biggest players. But after using it daily for weeks, I found things that don't make it shine like the ads. Stick around. By the end, I'll tell you who this phone actually makes sense for and who might want to wait. Huawei P70 Pro product overview. So what exactly are we looking at? The Huawei P70 Pro is the latest flagship smartphone from Huawei, launched in 2024 under the rebranded Pura lineup. It's aimed squarely at enthusiasts who care about photography, premium design, and long battery life. Basically, folks who want a one-and-done device that can handle daily tasks, social media, travel snapshots, and big creative aspirations all in one package. It pairs a high-end OLED screen with a top-tier triple camera system, plus fast charging and ample storage. Huawei P70 Pro performance. Alright, specs are one thing, but how does the P70 Pro feel in real life? In everyday use, browsing, social media, light gaming, streaming video, the phone absolutely flies. That's thanks to a chipset, a Kirin 91010, that, while not bleeding edge by global ultra flagship standards, handles multitasking smoothly, keeps animations fluid, and doesn't stutter when switching between apps. For day-to-day stuff like texting, browsing, or switching between apps, it's responsive. Pull up a ton of open tabs in Chrome? No problem. Play a graphically heavy mobile game or edit 4K video? It won't be quite as snappy as the absolute fastest Snapdragon chips, but it stays stable. Battery-wise, a full day of heavy use is completely doable, with screen on time easily stretching 6 to 7 hours. That's solid. Features and tech. Let's dive into what makes this phone stand out. LTPO OLED display, 1 to 120 Hz adaptive refresh rate. Scrolling through feeds or browsing feels incredibly smooth, and the adaptive helps conserve power when you're just reading or watching video. Triple rear camera setup, a 50-megapixel main ultra lighting shooter, an f1.4 to f4.0 with OIS, a 12.5-megapixel ultra-wide lens, and a 48-megapixel periscope-styled telephoto lens for zoom and portraits. It supports 3.5 times optical zoom and up to 100 times digital zoom. What that means in real life is you can snap everything from wide landscapes to distant details and expect sharp, detailed photos. Low light, portraits, zoom shots, the P70 Pro is versatile. Charging and battery tech. The P70 Pro packs a large 50-50 mAh battery and supports 100-watt wired charging plus 80-watt wireless charging plus reverse wireless charging. That's fast enough to get you out of a pinch if you forget to plug in overnight. Premium hardware build plus extras. OLED with up to 1.07 billion colors, high touch sampling rate for responsive performance, and what Huawei claims is a durable Kunlun-class glass build. Design and build. Aesthetically, the P70 Pro feels like a true flagship. The screen curves gently around the edges, the glass back feels premium, and the whole phone has a solid weight and heft. The screen is bright, colors pop, and the curved edges give it a sleek, modern look. Holding it feels substantial, not cheap or plasticky. At the same time, that weight and size, plus the all-glass build, means it's a bit on the large side, and you'll want a case if you're concerned about drops or scratches. Also, like many big-screen phones, one-handed use can be a stretch, especially for folks with smaller hands. Pros. Smooth, responsive LTPO OLED display that adapts to your use. Super flexible and impressive triple lens camera system, great for everything from landscapes to close-ups to zoom shots. Big battery with fast wired plus wireless charging equals reliable all-day use. Cons. Software and ecosystem still lag behind mainstream flagships. Google Apps support is limited. Camera zoom and low light performance, while strong, aren't always perfect, especially compared to flagship peers. Final verdict. So who is the Huawei P70 Pro for? If you're someone who prioritizes photography, landscapes, travel, portraits, maybe even light video work,
and wants a beautiful display plus solid battery life and charging speeds, this phone is a great fit. It's especially good for travelers, social media creators, and anyone who wants a premium, do-it-all phone without obsessing over the latest Snapdragon benchmarks. But if you need tight Google ecosystem integration, Google Play Store, Google Maps, Gmail, etc., or if you rely heavily on apps that require Google mobile services, this may feel a bit restrictive since Huawei still leans on its own OS and alternative app stores. Also, if you want the absolute fastest performance for heavy gaming or editing, there are other phones that are more cutting edge.